Hey Kookz, welcome back to the channel. Today, the fine folks at HiBoost sent us a cell phone booster. So we usually have pretty low service. We have T-Mobile. So we're gonna get this all hooked up. It's very straightforward. It's just kind of, you plug it into a USB port. I'll show you what we got. Dun, 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 dun. So here is the HiBoost, whatever. This looks like this might be the receiver and an antenna. The cool thing about this antenna is you don't really have to like mount. You can just magnets. So we're thinking of just kind of having it temporarily so we can run it through the door and magnet it up. Danny approves. So we're gonna get started on this install. It looks very straightforward. It shouldn't take us long. We're just gonna figure out where to put it and then we're gonna get going. Woo! So we're gonna install the unit up here behind the driver's seat. We're just figuring out exactly where. We're gonna drill a hole. We have USB
inside this cabinet.
Inside the cabinet there.
So we're gonna drill the USB to go in and up and over the cabinet.
So we're gonna get that going. Here is the HiBoost unit. It's marked here indoor, so that's for the indoor receiver, and outdoor for the antenna, and there's the power and a USB port. So here is the indoor receiver, and we're gonna put this somewhere now. So we're gonna put it right here. It comes with 3M Velcro, and then we're just gonna run the cord along the roof.
And then under here.
And then under there.
And then through there, and around to our unit.
So now we are going to attach it to the wall. We're using these quick screws. If you don't know about the quick screws, I recommend you get some.
They're great for drawer sliders.
So now we are going to put in the antenna. We're not going to drill a hole or anything in the van. The idea is just to magnet the antenna up to the roof area, and then just when we need the boost, we'll just run it through the door or the window. It's really easy to put together. So we got it in the wall, it's powered. We're gonna put the antenna on, and then we're gonna download the app and we're gonna give it a test run. So I will note now, we have about 2 bars. We usually have about 1 to 2 bars out here, and we will see how much that does it. We're downloading the app, so once we're in, we'll see how it works. Okay, so I got my HiBoost up here and I'm testing the speed. I have this speed test app, so I'm gonna hit it and we'll see how fast it is. I'm not connected to the HiBoost at the moment. I'll plug it in here and see the difference. All right, so you can see 50 megabytes per second on the download and the 4.14 on the upload. So now I'm gonna connect and see the difference. Okay, so I got the HiBoost connected and I got this signal outside. I got some supers. So now we'll throw on the speed test app. And 50 and 4, so we'll try to remember that. I probably won't. All right, so that said 31 and 15. That's like triple on the upload. I lost some on the download. I'm gonna do it again just to double check that. All right, so yeah, same score. I do like that it uploads at 14 because we've used our phones to upload via YouTube. Okay, so a few more times, same results, but the triple the upload speed is good since we are going to be uploading stuff with the phone. So I'm going to go outside and we're going to see if it's and disconnect and see what it gets, because I'm in the van, but maybe outside I'll get slower speed without the connection. So I am disconnected and now I'm going to do the speed test outside the van just to see what we get. All right, so we got a 42.3 download, and the upload is way down at 1.87. So, I mean, the upload basically quadrupled on the HiBoost. So, Danny's excited. The Vankookz peanut gallery over here at the beautiful campsite.
We're just being digital nomads.
Yeah, so if you're trying to be a digital nomad and live that gangster lifestyle like these guys, you're gonna need your HiBoost so you can upload that footage.
Yeah, cafes aren't open right now, libraries aren't open, so we've just had to use our phones a lot of the time to upload stuff so you guys can see us.
All right, so we are out here at the campsite. I got my HiBoost magnetic antenna. The magnet's pretty awesome, and we're just gonna kind of place it here, and Danny's gonna tell me the readings inside, and we'll get it nice, and then we'll do that speed test again, because we're a little more remote than when I did it earlier, so we're gonna test it once more. Okay, it's claiming 1 bar of 4G, which I doubt, but we'll see. We'll test it. Speed test. This is a cool app. Maybe I need to stick it out in the van. Ooh, not good. Now we will hook it up to the HiBoost and we'll see if that value changes at all. I got the green light. I'm connected. We'll go into the speed test app. So 18 and 0.7. I already forgot. Glad that's up there. All right, so there it is, 23.6 download, 4.75 upload. That's pretty good, seeing that we are in the middle of nowhere and it's notorious for bad service. So I'm just gonna show you the gauges. They're not looking good, but I still got substantially better than the 18 and the 0.7. So it's looking like the HiBoost is working out. It doesn't do a mega job, but it can pretty much double or triple what you're getting. We were not able to ever test it with Wi-Fi, seeing that all this weird things are going on. We had a hard time finding somewhere we could just park and get Wi-Fi. Even the Starbucks said the Wi-Fi was basically closed, so we weren't able to check that, but those will be in our vlogs. We'll check back with that later and show you how the HiBoost is performing. But thus far, just for the first month maybe having it, it seems like it is helping. We've uploaded YouTube videos with it, and it works out. It works better than it used to, so we're actually really stoked on it. It's an easy installation. You can just run it out your window and magnet it up to your van. It's a cool little product. Might be a little bit pricey, but I think maybe we can offer you some type of discount code, and if we can, it's in the description. So add that discount code, and thanks for watching, and always like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys later. We're reviewing this TacLife battery at the moment, putting it to the test, as you can see. So that's what's coming next on the next review. So thanks, guys.
See ya.